责吧。Good job.
Data is the new oil, so China is the new Saudi Arabia. If you measure by value created, how much market capitalization, how many users, how much revenue, China probably is already ahead.
PwC says that by 2030, global GDP could increase by 14% because of AI. Its deployment will add $15.7 trillion to global GDP, with China predicted to take $7 trillion. That's almost half of North America's projected gains of $3.7 trillion.
温度和风量。
在北京的运行的车辆，我们基本的时速能够达到40。快跑的全无人车队数量，taxi 企业。
Cars trained on unpredictable Chinese roads will stand a better chance in places like India and Africa.
Number 4, number 3, number 2, number 1. Solomon T.